all the people who are watching this video, always believe in yourself. Your limitation, it's only in your imagination.
ISPL competition was actually quite a motivator for all the BDAs, and ISPL was us as managers. We actually thought of bringing in such things because it not just improves the performance of the BDAs, but it actually helps them to take it to a level at which they never really got before.
Thought behind ISPL event was to increase the competitiveness and their confidence among the BDAs and our teams.
When we started with the competition, my team actually got so motivated that I was actually not the one who was doing the efforts. My team was doing more of the efforts, and they were pushing me also and kind of motivating me also to help them to receive the first position, which actually also enabled my teammate Amit to win the Man of the Series title also.
Winning this contest was the biggest incentive for me, and I had to be consistent for all 4 weeks. So now when I look back, I find myself much more productive.
As Ayush mentioned, it was a great experience, but from the first week to second week, it was a whole different scenario. Like in first week, I was not able to do the numbers, but in second week, when I became the man of the match, it came to me that I can do this. And by Sahil's help, I achieved the Man of the Series as well.
Being in this team, my favorite part was the team members, because they always help me to boost my confidence. They always help me to get the numbers. Then I used to go to Ayush, I used to go to my other team members, and they always pushes me that yes, you can do it, Shiva.
The basic strategy that we followed was more number of sessions leads to more revenue, which actually gives us more runs as in the IPL competition.
As Sahil mentioned, the strategy should have been to increase the demo count and the revenue to win this competition. Our senior manager Sharat sir called us and told me कि वाधवा अगर ये competition जीतना है तो demo count भी बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. So this is what I communicated to my team, and for the last 2 weeks we did really a maximum number of demos that could have been possible with the great revenue, and finally we ended up winning this competition.
I personally rely on two things: solving a particular problem and achieving a particular goal, and that helped me to get more number of sessions, and that helped me to get more number of revenue.
Just pure hard work, because working hard never goes out of style, and also to deliver on whatever the manager asks us to do.
When I went at the top of this competition, the praise that me and my team received was really a very good feeling, and I was really proud of my team.
My favorite memory was obviously winning the competition, because until the penultimate week, we were third. So it was like hitting 6 sixes in the last over and snatching the victory right from the opponent.
My favorite memory was the final day of the result, when I saw our team name on the top.
As we keep hearing from our senior managers, step outside your comfort zone, because great things never come from comfort zones.
Everyone should have a goal in your mind and always keep working for that goal.
Be consistent and confident at whatever you do, and it will always help you to touch great heights.